Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I got a special package a while back, but I've been having problems uploading videos and stuff, and then I end up dropping my camera and breaking it. And it seems like it's working good now. Well, I didn't break it. What happened is I dropped it, it bounced off the rocks and went in the water. So I jumped in the water and grabbed it, and then we jammed home and put it in rice and dried it all out and whatever, and it seems like it's working all right now. Every once in a while I have like a weird red tint, but the whole camera was all full of lines and red tint, and it's obviously drying up because now every once in a while right down in this corner I'll have like a red hue or something. It'll look funny, or if I go down below the welding table or something when there's like a excuse me, if there's like a little bit of a shadow, it'll have a little bit of a red tint. We've been busy as hell, so this is kind of a shop update, and it's also an unboxing. And man, it has been crazy. We just got back from vacation, and I say got back, we never left. We were at our house, but we had our family come from California, which was awesome. It was so fun to hang around with all those goofballs, and we had so many people at the house, and the whole neighborhood, I think, was at our house too. They all came over here and watched fireworks, and a lot of people were getting all sauced up and drinking and partying and whatever, and so we were kind of like the I guess the rowdy kids on the block, I guess you'd say. I don't know. But anyways, so this is unboxing, and I want to thank Sean Puz and his wife Donna. Speaking of goofballs, I don't even know how to. I opened this package and was like, "What the hell?" So, anyways, you guys will see what I'm talking about. But I gotta share this with you guys. It's kind of a funny video. You guys will like it. You'll get a kick out of it. So, you guys know that I'm always using auto body hammers, and I have like a bazillion hammers and whatever, and I'm always using hammers to shape metal and stuff like that. So we got on this radical build off drive off meeting, and we were talking about hammers and stuff, and I started picking on Sean Puz, and he got me back. So it was a good one. I love practical jokes and stuff like that, so that's a lot of fun to do stuff like this. But anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around as long as I don't have any problems with it, and I'll do the unboxing and I'll show you what it is. And this is from Metal Shop Designs out of Florida, and it's Sean Puz and his wife. And the guy built some radical stuff. He's in the International Radical Build Off Drive Off. Super cool people. Just, I mean, fell in love with the people as soon as we met them, I got to meet him at SEMA. And I'm sorry, Sean, if you're watching this, and Donna, I know I met Donna. I'm pretty sure I met her at SEMA, but there was like, it was just total chaos. So I don't really remember her at SEMA, but I do remember her face. So after we were doing all these meetings and stuff, I do remember, talking to Donna at one point. But I mean, when you meet, thousands and thousands of people at SEMA, it's really hard to remember everybody's face and their names and talk to them and whatever. It's impossible. Like I was telling Sean, the first thing I wanted to do was punch him in the face. But now that I got to know the guy, I'll keep from doing that. But I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna get you back for this. So just you'll see. We got some stuff we're working on, and then we'll give you some updates in the next couple days. I'm gonna be working back on the International Radical Build Off Drive Off car, the SEMA car. We'll be working on that, trying to bust ass. Hopefully we make our deadline. I don't know, this whole coronavirus thing and this Heidi getting her finger cut off, and just, oh my God, it's been insane. Trying to get sponsors and trying to get people to go through with what they say they're gonna do, for this build-off car has just been a huge pain in the ass. And I'm to the point where I'm throwing my hands in the air. I'm like, you know what? We're gonna try the best we can. We have 4 months left. We're gonna bust ass for 4 months. Gonna see if we can get this car done. And you know what? If it's one of those things, is I'll work up until the night we have to leave if I have to, or I'll work on the damn thing on the trailer all the way to Nebraska if I have to. I don't care, but we'll do what we can do. So Sean Puz and Donna, thank you guys. I really appreciate you sending out this package. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around. I've been doing too much talking. I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what I got. And like I said, I'm a hammer collector. I'm into auto body hammers and ball peen hammers and any kind of metal shaping hammers. And you won't believe this, so I'll show you what I got going on here. Well, it seems like it's working all right. I have some other packages to open, and right now I'm doing some metal fab in the shop, and I'll get into that in a little bit. I'm gonna do some videos on that truck bed and stuff. The Jeep's all finished up. See, it's kind of like a red tint on this camera, but I don't know. Hopefully it won't affect you guys too much. All right, I'm gonna try not to show no addresses, but let me show you all these new hammers that we got in the mail. And this is from Sean, Puz, and Donna. Puz and unbelievable. So here's Heidi's hammer. It says the woman on it. And here's one of mine. Keep your hands off this hammer. Hammer time. Minnesota Outlaw Customs. Oh, what the heck? Look, it says One of One Customs. That's the name of his shop. That's the only one that's flat in here. Huh. Go figure. The man, the legend. I wonder if these would pop if I shaped metal with them. Then they got me a nice little toolkit. Oh, it's a Black & Decker, man. You guys went all out. Sorry about the red tint on this camera. Like I said, it's kind of screwed up. Oh man, you guys are too much. And there's a note in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and read that. Arco, I figured you may need some more hammers. Some more hammers would help. I do expect a video or two with these awesome tools in action. Best luck with the build. Looking badass, Sean. Love you guys, man. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and hit the bell. Later.